Okay, so good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start with Sylvia Plath's daddy. Okay, so Sylvia Plath is mainly known for her tortured soul, as we discussed it already in the previous class. So perhaps that is why readers identify with her works of poetry so well, such as Daddy. She has an uncanny ability to give meaningful words to some of the most inexpressible emotions. She writes in a way that allows the reader to feel her pain. So, the way she writes is very expressive. Okay, it expresses the pain that she suffered, the pain that she experienced, and the torture that she faced in her life. So in this particular poem, Daddy, she writes about her father after his death. So this is not a typical obituary poem lamenting the loss of her father. Okay, the poem, the theme of the poem is not a general one or a traditional one where we find the bonding between a father and a daughter, or it is not a typical obituary poem lamenting the loss of a loved one, wishing for his return and hoping to see him again. Rather, in this poem, in this particular poem, Daddy, Sylvia Plath feels a sense of pain, a sense of relief at the departure of his father, at the departure of the loss of her father. And she explores the reasons behind this feeling in the lines of this particular poem. So যেখানে আমরা দেখি যে মানে বাবা মেয়ের যে বন্ডিং, the bonding between a father and a daughter, in a traditional poem, where in which the theme of the poem is on the loss of a father, where the daughter is expressing the loss, is expressing obituary to the loved one, okay, to her father. But this is not a typical poem. That is not a typical poem at all. Rather, in this poem, Sylvia Plath explores the reasons behind this feeling in the lines of this poem, and in this poem, she expresses her great relief at the departure of her father. Okay, তার কাছে কবিতাটা তিনি যেভাবে লিখেছেন, মানে সেটা পড়ে মনে হচ্ছে যেন তিনি রিলিফ পেয়েছেন, তিনি বেশ একটা স্বস্তি পেয়েছেন অ্যাট দ্য ডিপার্চার অফ আর ফাদার, মানে তার বাবার মৃত্যুর পর তিনি যেন ঠিক স্বস্তি পেয়েছেন। সো দিস ইজ দ্য ক্রাক্স অফ দ্য পোয়েম। অ্যান্ড ইফ when we analyze the poem, when we discuss the poem, we will find that we will find the reasons behind such a feeling. Okay, so when speaking about her own work, Plath describes herself as a girl with an Electra complex. Okay, her father died while she thought he was God. Okay, so she adds on this statement describing her father as a Nazi and her mother very possibly part Jewish. Through the poem, she has to act out of the lawful little allegory once before she is free of it. So, in this particular poem, Daddy, Sylvia Plath describes herself as a girl with an Electra complex. So, what is an Electra complex? An Electra complex is a psychological phenomenon, is a psychological idea where the a girl has where the girl maintains a sexual relationship with a father. Okay, so this is called an Electra complex. So it is opposite to the Oedipus complex. So literary historians have determined that neither of these statements about her parents was accurate, but were introduced into the narrative in order to enhance its poignancy and stretch the limits of allegory. So This particular poem, in this particular poem, Daddy Sylvia Plath has actually explores the oppressive nature, the oppressive bonding between a father and a daughter, and the theme of freedom from oppression or from captivity is prevalent throughout the poem. And others Plath wrote, so despite her father's death, she was obviously still held wrapped by his life and how he lived. So that if we analyze the poem thematically, if we see the poem in terms of its themes, we can find that the oppressive nature of our father or between a father and a daughter, and the theme of freedom, the desire to free oneself, the desire of freedom, the desire of freedom from captivity is one of the most discussed themes of this poem. So, that being said, life and death should also be considered important themes within Plath's Daddy. So, without her father living as he did and dying when he did, while Plath was quite young, the poem would not exist as it does. So, I'm going to start the poem. I'm going to read out the poem. So, in the opening stanza of the poem, uh, we find, you do not do, you do not do. Please go with the text. Text টা সবাই follow করো. The text I already shared with the in the respective group. Do you have the poem with you? Anushka? Hello? Anushka? Shahini Panja?